On November 12, 1983, in the quiet town of Marrow's End, librarian Grace Holloway vanished without a trace. Her last known location, the town's historical society, cataloging artifacts from a demolished Victorian estate. The only clue left behind was a battered Remington typewriter resting on her desk, a fresh sheet of paper still loaded. That night, neighbors reported hearing the staccato clatter of typewriter keys echoing through the empty building long after midnight. When police arrived, they found the typewriter had produced a single chilling sentence: "I'm not alone in the dark." Grace's fingerprints were the only ones on the machine, but she was never seen again. Over the following weeks, new messages appeared, always typed at 3:07 a.m., each more desperate than the last. Security footage showed nothing but flickering shadows near the desk. Locals whispered of a curse, but authorities closed the case as an unsolved disappearance. Yet the typewriter remains, locked away in evidence, still rumored to type on its own. The case may be closed, but the nightmare isn't. Like the video and subscribe if you want part 2.